Hello friends, this is Veronica. You know what time it is. It is cafecito time. And today I want to come with a cafecito challenge for you. I decided this year to do a pumpkin spice challenge. Yes, pumpkin spice. Love it or hate it, pumpkin spice season is here. They have started to pop up everywhere. I see people posting about it. I get the notifications from the different coffee shops. Some of them have already started. Some of them have been selling the pumpkin spices early this month of August. Some of them are starting this week. Our good old favorite Starbucks does not release their pumpkin spice until towards the end of the month. So I decided, you know what, this year I want to do a pumpkin spice latte challenge and try all the pumpkin spice lattes available, from some of the major chains. I know I'm in California and not all the chains are available everywhere. So I'm going to try and go to the ones that are available in most places, depending where you're located. So yeah, I hope you join me along. I'm going to try and post videos every day. So if you are interested in my pumpkin spice latte challenge, make sure to subscribe. If you like these videos, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, like, comment, let me know if you are a fan of pumpkin spice lattes. Some of us love them, some of us hate them. Mr. Cafecito is not a pumpkin spice latte or any pumpkin spice flavor fan. He does not like it. He will not have pumpkin spice anything. Me, if it says pumpkin spice, yeah, I'll try it. So we are going to start with a good old favorite, 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven, some people live off of 7-Eleven coffee. Some people love 7-Eleven coffee. For a while, before I became a little bit bougie with my coffee, I used to go to 7-Eleven and get my coffee, and they are one of the first to have pumpkin spice latte. I'm going to try it. This is on the cheaper end. I'm going to go with small. So every time I go somewhere, I'm going to just get a small because I'm going to be tasting a lot of pumpkin spice lattes. And I don't want to buy the big size because what if it's gross? What if I don't like it? We don't like to waste coffee on this channel. So we are going to go with a small. And I'm going to tell you my thoughts. I'll let you know from a scale of 1 cafecito to 5 cafecitos. If it's good, 1 cafecito, it's not good. Don't waste your time. I didn't like it. Thumbs down. 5 cafecitos means that, oh my God, it's delicious. I loved it and I will definitely go back and buy it again. So we're starting off with so this is from a machine. This is not, no barista is making your coffee. Smells good. And I hadn't been to 7-Eleven in years, and they had a little bar with little like add-ons. So I added a cinnamon brown sugar topping. So let's try it. Oh, it's hot. This is from a powder from a mix, so it's not a true coffee. There's no espresso, no barista pulling shots and mixing your drink. So obviously this is on the cheap end, $1.99 for a small. It doesn't taste bad, but I don't taste really any pumpkin flavor. It smells like cinnamon. The cinnamon brown sugar topping is pretty good. So if you go to 7-Eleven, put that in your coffee. Okay. My verdict is pumpkin spice latte at 7-Eleven is a 2 cafecitos. I wouldn't say it's awful. I don't hate it, but I don't really get pumpkin flavor. It almost just tastes like a little bit of like cinnamon coffee. I don't get pumpkin spice or pumpkin anything from this. And I know pumpkin spice is not necessarily pumpkin flavored, but I don't know. The flavor is very kind of light and bland. So I would have to give it 2 cafecitos. If you want to try something cheap and, it'll do the trick. It'll do the trick. The pros is you serve it yourself. It's cheap and you could customize it by adding sugar, sweetener. They have syrups. They have add-ons, and none of it costs extra, so that is a plus. And the cons is it doesn't have a very strong coffee taste or a very strong pumpkin spice flavor. So 2 cafecitos for 7-Eleven pumpkin spice. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know if you've tried the 7-Eleven pumpkin spice latte, if you like it, or if you have a suggestion of a place for me to try. So stick around for tomorrow's video where I will try another pumpkin spice latte from another coffee shop. Thanks everyone for watching. Till next time, enjoy your cafecito.